sanitizer dyan. Our hand sanitizer at the party venue is always available po. And lastly, our registration form para po sa mga hindi nakapag-register ng kanilang name. Kindly write your name na lamang po para sa ating food head count. At syempre, meron po tayong mga 30 party hats dyan. Yan, pakisuot po para mas lalo nating maramdaman ang specialness at ang granding birthday celebration ni Ponpon! Ayan, ako. Okay, sige, this time, thank you so much, Ate Mitch. Ayan, sa mga bagong dating. Ayan, okay, alright, this time, everyone, be ready because you have been witness her transformation from the time that she was born up to this day. Everyone, let us all welcome and acknowledge our birthday girl itself, Ponpon! And let's say, everyone, happy birthday! Let's go! It's your birthday! Ayan ako, grabe naman pa, Miss Universe. Wala ka diba, Ponpon? Alright, now this time po, para lalo naman maging blessed ang birthday celebration ni Ma'am. Everyone, may I request for you to please stand up for our opening prayer to be led by EJ.
Hello, that's Nate. So good afternoon, everyone. Let us bow our heads and place ourselves in the holy presence of the Lord, the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen. We gather today with hearts full of gratitude and joy as we celebrate a beautiful milestone, the 50th birthday of our beloved Aurelia Christine Yap Reyes, or as many of us have come to know her, Ponpon. Lord, thank you for blessing her with strength, wisdom, and grace over these 50 years. Thank you for the love she so generously shares and the guidance she offers, as well as the light she brings to everyone she touches. She has been a source of comfort, a pillar of strength, and a reflection of your love to so many of us. And as she steps into this new chapter, we ask you to bless her with continued good health, renewed purpose, and peace in her heart. May the years ahead be filled with even more love, laughter, and blessings, not just for her, but through her, as she continues to be a blessing to others. We also ask that you bless everyone gathered here, family and friends, near and far, who have come to honor and celebrate her life. May this be a day of joyful remembrance and hopeful beginnings. All this we ask in the name of your Son, Jesus Christ. Amen.
Ayan, thank you so much, Sir EJ, and everyone, you may now remain seated. Ma'am Pon, doon ka muna sa harapan. Ako, i-interviewin ka muna namin ng very slide. Because of course, ay sa mga bagong dating doon po. Hello, hello. Ayan, find your most comfortable seat na. Ayan, sige. Alright, now this time, of course, here at Jollibee Katipunan, we acknowledge simple ways of fun. Kaya just like what I've said kanina, Ma'am Pon, ako, i-interviewan. Let's have a fast talk muna tayo, no? Bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating pag-games and activities. So, ayan, sige, Ate Mitch, pass the mic tayo. Ayan, ako sa mga nasa harap mo, kindly sit down po muna tayo, everyone. Okay, so first question. Everyone, are you guys ready? Ready ba kayo? Kilala nyo ba, sa tingin nyo, kilala nyo ba si Ma'am Pon talaga? Ay, parang hindi Ayan parang hindi Ayan na, gutom na ata itong mga to, Ma'am Pon. Once again, everyone, guys, are you guys ready? Yes, okay. So now, this time, for our first question. Ayan, okay, now. Ito, pop-up quiz na po ito para pop-up. So, kung sino na lang ang gustong sumagot, okay? So now, for our first question, ayan. Okay, so, what is her NCEE grade? Okay? Once again, what is her NCEE grade? Ayan, okay. So, sino po nakakaalam? Sino kaya? NCEE grade. So, tingnan sino? Sino may wild guess lang? May wild guess. Sino? Okay, Ate Mitch, napitan mo. Ayan, okay.
96 daw.
96! Sige, sir, ikaw talaga sumagot niya o binulong sa'yo? O binulong? Ayun, sige, congratulations! Sir, parang natin si Sir Ryan, 96. Ayan, nakabigyan mo ng isang, snapshot. Thank you so much. Okay, ayun. Okay, sige, now, malingon tayo sa ating second question. This time, for our second question naman po, saan nag-OJT
up game na. Ayan, okay? So now, this time for everyone, and welcome to our first and warm-up game. This game is called Jollibee's Bring Me Game, okay? So very classic, kaya hindi ako mahihirapan magbibigay lang kayo ng item, everyone, okay? So now, ang ating mga item po ay naka-base sa OOTD or outfit ni Best Friend Jollibee. So for your references, ayan ang aking Best Friend Jollibee. Nako, 4 na litrato niya. Ayan, okay. So now this time, moving on tayo to our first item, guys. Itong item na po, na ito ay nakabase sa kulay ng sombrero or hat ni Best Friend Jollibee. So everyone, anong kulay ng sombrero or hat ni Best Friend Jollibee? Bakit may red, guys? Sa kabila, yun, hala! Ayan, ang sa kabila po yun. Once again, everyone, anong kulay ng sombrero ni Best Friend Jollibee? May red talaga. May red na mampot tayo hindi taga-certified Jollibee itong mga to, ha? Ayan, ha? Okay, so white. White po ang kulay ng sombrero ni Best Friend Jollibee. Okay, dahil white ang kulay ng sombrero ni Best Friend Jollibee, kailangan po namin ni Ate Mitch ng 2 or higit pa. Dalawa magbibigay na. Puting buhok, kaya white hair, white hair. O, sino may white hair? O, sino? Ayan o, white. Naku, sino pinakaano ng white hair? Ang bilis ha. Ayan o, ang bilis ha. Nabunot agad ang white hair. O, sino ba? Sino ba na may white hair? Ayan ako, si Baby Girl. White hair, baby. Wala siyang white hair, pero sige, pagbigyan na natin. Oo, bata yan eh. Okay, sige. Now, moving on tayo to our second item naman po. This time, ito naman po ay nakabase sa kulay ng jacket or vest ni Best Friend Jollibee. So, everyone, anong kulay ng jacket ni Best Friend Jollibee? Red. Okay, this time for our second item, dahil red ang kulay ng best friend, ng jacket ni Best Friend, ayan, kailangan po ulit namin ng 2 or more na mabilis na makapagbibigay na. Red lipstick! Kaya red lipstick, red lipstick, red lip color. Ayan ako. O, diba? Si Kuya, ano to? Zolo. Ayan ako, very, enthusiastic. Sino pa ba? Sino pa ba? Meron pa dito? Red lipstick? Ayan, meron pa ba? Wala na? Okay. O, meron pa. I think meron pa. Ayan, sige. O, sino pa? Ayan, si Kuya Mikoy. Okay, sige. Now, moving on tayo to our third and final item. Si Best Friend Jollibee. So, everyone, anong kulay ng sapatos ni Best Friend Jollibee? Red. Si Sam talaga red talaga. Mag-send na doon ka talaga kay Best Friend mamaya. Ayan, okay, yellow. Ayan, yellow. Okay, sige. Dahil yellow ang kulay ng sapatos ni Best Friend Jollibee. This time, kailangan ko po ng 3, okay? 3 pinakamabilis na makapagbibigay na 500 peso yellow bill. 500 peso yellow bill. We have 1. I have 1. Sino pa po? Oh, meron pa ba? 500 peso, baby. Kailangan ko muna ng 500 peso. Ay, okay. We have 2. Oh, sino pa? Sino pa? Ayan, sige. Sige. Buhay ko ako. Okay, tatlo. May hapon ba sa 500? Meron pa ba? Ayan, okay. Sige. Sa mga nagbigay po, isang malaking thank you so much, everyone. Pagbayad po yan ni Ma'am Paul mamaya sa party niya dito sa Jollibee. Hindi, joke lang. Okay, so now this time, guys, yung 3 may-ari ng 500 pesos, yung mismong nagbigay po ng 500 pesos, punta po tayo ngayon sa harapan. Nasaan po yung may-ari ng 500 pesos? Ayan, sige guys, nasaan po? Okay, punta sa harapan yung ating mga may-ari ng 500. Kuya, sino nagbigay ng 500? Sino? Sa kanya talaga, kailangan ko ng isa ng sino kampanya ng batang to? Bata mo sa harapan na, kailangan may kasama po si Kuya Lolo. Ayaw, dito lang tayo mamana. Sige, wait lang po. 1. Nasaan pa yung isang may-ari ng 500? Okay, punta po sa harapan. Ayan, dali na guys, pagbigyan na natin si Ma'am po. Ako, minsan lang to. Okay, 1, 2, sino pa? Sino pa po yung may-ari? Yay! Ayan. Okay, sige, Ate Mitch, dito ka. Okay, ayan, sige, Ma'am Pon, ayan, let's take a picture po muna. Next question, can you share with us, is this your first time celebrating a party on a Jollibee Kids party?
For myself,
Oo, so for yourself, it's your first time. Ako, first time ni Ma'am mag-celebrate ng party, ng kanyang mismong party. So Ma'am, bakit kaya on your 50th birthday, sabi mo, ay gusto ko sa Jollibee mag-celebrate? Ayan. Wala lang, oo, very ano lang yun.
60th ko din.
Ay, oo, mukhang sa 60th, babalik din si Ma'am Bon. Okay, sige. Now this time, Ma'am Bon, how do you feel right now? Ayan, are you excited? Excited ka ba sa mga guests mo later on? Kasi ako, Ma'am Bon, may pa-special performance ang mga yan later on for you.
Excited ako para sa kanila kasi meron ng relay game.
Ayun! Diba? Kaya pa kayo naman si Ma'am Bon doon ako, guys. Ayan na, sinabihan na kayo, relay game. Sa mga games to, sasali tayo, everyone. Okay, so once again, on behalf of Team Jollibee Katipunan and Management, Ma'am Bon, we honor you on your very special day. Happy birthday. Sana po na ang inyong mga wish ay matupad and of course, always stay healthy. Kaya naman, that's why. Ayan, everyone, once again, sabay-sabay po natin kantahan si Ma'am Bon ng happy birthday. Let's go! Jolly birthday! Let's go, Lottie and Ron! Jolly birthday to you! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday to you! I love it, everyone! Let's go! Birthday to you! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday to you! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday! Ayan, alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Bon. And now, this is you may now join your guests and enjoy the rest of the party. Ayan, thank you so much. So now this time, of course, ang ating Jollibee Kids Party will be a Jollibee Kids Party without the games and activities na ni-ready ni Best Friend Jollibee. But before we go sa ating mga pag-game, ayan, so kailangan may gagawin muna bago maibalik ang ating 500 pesos. Sabi niyo, hindi siguro na yan. Ang mabilis ka usap no? Joke lang. Okay, so dahil birthday po ni Ma'am Paul, ayan, syempre hindi mawawala ang kumakanta ng happy birthday, tama? So, kakanta lang kayo ng happy birthday. But, let's have a twist on your birthday song. Now, to our jolly guests in front, ayan, kindly think of po or any kind of animal. So, any sound or any kinds of animal. At kapag nakaisip na po kayo ng animals, you're gonna sing a happy birthday song using your chosen sound of animals, okay? So, sino po ang mauuna? Sino? Ayan, okay, si Ma'am Jonah. Ayan, sige, dito tayo, Ma'am Jonah. Ayan. Ma'am Ana, okay, ayan, okay, Ma'am, dito lang tayo. Okay lang yan, Ma'am. Ayan, sige. Okay, Ma'am Jonah, dito po tayo sa harapan. Okay, Ma'am Jonah, anong sound or animal po ang nasa isip? Cat. Okay, for example, anong sound ng cat? Ulit? Okay, ayan ako. So everyone, this time sabayan po natin sila ng Jonah para hindi sila maya. Okay, now for using the sound of a cat, let's sing a happy birthday for Ma'am Bonbon. And 3, 2, and 1. Let's go! Ayan, let's sing everyone! Ayan, para po kayo si Ma'am Jonah. Thank you so much, Ma. Ayan, sige po. Next, move on tayo. Sino pong susunod? Ayan, okay. Si Ma'am Ayan, okay. Si Ma'am Ana po. Ayan. And si Baby. Okay, sige. This time, ayan. Baby girl, anong sound? What sound or animal ang nasa isip po? Ayan, Ate Mitch, yung mic. Ayan. Okay, sige. Ma'am Ana, ayan. Anong sound or animal po ang nasa isip? Dog. Okay. For example, what is the sound of a dog? Sabay tayo, baby girl. Ayan, sabay tayo. Okay, for example, what is the sound of a dog? Okay, let's go using the sound of a dog. Let's sing a happy birthday for Bonbon and 3, 2, 1, let's go! Thank you so much, ma'am. Ayan, sige po. Last but not the least, ayan, sige, we have Zylo and Ma'am Jen. Okay, Ma'am Jen. Okay, sige, ma'am, you may now sit down po. This time, Ma'am Jen, dito po tayo sa harapan. A snake. Okay, for example, what is the sound of a snake? Ay, okay. Let's go, Carla. What is the sound of a snake? Ay. Okay, sige. Zola, panindigan mo yung snake mo. Okay, sige. Let's go for Ma'am Ponpon using the sound of a snake. Let's sing a happy birthday and 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Ayun! Okay, thank you so much. Ayan, guys, once again, palapakan niyo po ang inyong mga sarili. Congratulations, everyone. Ayun, okay, ayan. Sige, thank you. Alright, sige, long best friend. Moving on na tayo once again. Shall we? Cheryl and Rocky! Ayan, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Si Ma'am 8. Nasaan yung last 2? Ayan, sino po yun? Ayan, sino pa hawak nila, Ma'am? Okay, sige, punta na po tayo sa harapan. 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Kaya ko pala isa, Ma'am. Si Zoe. Okay, si Zoilo. Okay, sige. Now, this time, Ma'am Paul, let's take a group photo once again with this batch. Okay, so spread wide po muna tayo, everyone. Let's have a group photo first. Question. This time, everyone. Ayan, okay. Now, anong company ang first job niya? Okay, once again, for our third question, anong company ang first job niya? So, let's go. Sino? Si Ma'am Jen. Ma'am Jen, what's SGB. Ayan, once again, palapakan po natin. Thank you so much, Ma'am Jen. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, now for our fourth and final question. This time for our fourth and final question naman po, anong country naman ang una niyang pinuntahan? Once again, anong country ang una niyang pinuntahan? So, ayan, sige, let's go. Hong Kong ba? Sorry, Ma'am, hindi Hong Kong. Ano ba kasi? Bangkok, hindi yan Bangkok. Sige, sino ba? Sino ba?
Singapore.
Singapore! Ayun! Si Sarami! Thank you so much! Ayan ako. Okay, diba? Mga kilala ka ng iyong mga Jolly guests. Okay, so now moving on na po tayo to our next game. Ayan, this time, Ma'am Paul, ikaw na mismo ang mag-name drop. I'll be needing 10 Jolly adults po. Ayan, 10 Jolly adults.
Mumbaki, Carlo,
Ayan, alright, o yung mga tinawag ni Ma'am Pon, punta po tayo sa harapan, everyone. Let's go in front, please. Kasi hindi na po tayo mag-fall in line, basta alam natin ang order of the players. Go na po, okay? So, move backward, everyone. Move backward. Ito po ang ating magiging starting line, okay? Ayan, so, ayan, sir, dito po ang starting line natin. Ayan, alright. Alright, now for our next game, everyone welcome to Jollibee's Pata Pata, Giling Giling, Pata Pata, Ocho Ocho. Okay, ayan. So now, this time, titingnan natin kasi sabi ko lang may performance kayo for Mampon eh. Okay, so now, each player po for the game mechanics, heads up muna everyone, focus po muna tayo. So eyes on us first, listen on us. So first for the mechanics, one by one, each player ay mabilis na pupunta sa ating tables and then you're gonna build your cup first into a pyramid form, okay? So sa pag-build po ng cup, 3 sa ilalim, 2 sa gitna, 1 sa pinakatuktong. And then after that, you're gonna do the Jollibee's Pata Pata dance. So how to do it? So everyone do it with us all together. This is Pata Pata. Ayan, tap on your shoes. Everyone, Pata Pata. Giling Giling. Pata Pata. And then Ocho Ocho. Okay. Natalo na ito sa ulo doon ha. Ayan ha. So kailangan hindi kayo matalo ni Solo doon. Si Solo, grabe yung performance. Okay. So once again, do it with us all together po the Pata Pata dance. So Pata Pata. Giling Giling. Pata Pata. And then Ocho Ocho. Okay. Now after you do your Pata Pata dance, ibabalik lang po natin sa original stocking form ang cups. And then high five sa next player. Okay? So once again guys, ang hirap. Ala, yung pinakamadali. Everyone. Okay. Ayan, sige guys. So, ayan po. Oh, diba? Ayan. Okay. Oh, sige. Once again, everyone po, for the mechanics, pupunta, i-build ang cup, 3, 2, 1. Pata Pata, Giling Giling, Pata Pata, Ocho Ocho. Ibabalik po sa gantong form ang cup, high five po sa next player. Okay? So this will be our team A, this will be our team B, guys. Pabilisan po ang ating magiging laro because ang ating winning team will have a prizes. Ang losing team natin, don't you worry, may prizes pa rin. Pero syempre, may consequence po ang matatalong team. Okay? So kailangan pabilisan tayo, everyone. Okay, so now, let's make it a quick game because after this one po, it will be your lang half sarapil na. Okay? So now, everyone, inhale, exhale, because this is your Jollibee's Pata Pata, Giling Giling, Pata Pata, Ocho Ocho, get set, go! Ayan. Ang sarap diba? Ito sa mga dalawa, isa. Ayan, sige, let's go, let's go. Okay, oh, and then, and then, Pata Pata, Giling Giling, Pata Pata, Ocho Ocho. Ayan, sige, let's go. Ayan, sa baba. Dalawa sa gitna. Okay, oh, and then, let's go. Pata Pata, Giling Giling, Pata Pata, Ocho Ocho. Okay, oh, Pata Pata. Okay, oh, let's go. Giling Giling, Pata Pata, Ocho Ocho. Okay, oh, habol. Ayan na po. Okay, oh, sa baba, sa baba. Tatlo, dalawa, isa. Ayan, Pata Pata, Giling Giling, Pata Pata, Ocho Ocho. Pata Pata, Giling Giling. Okay, oh, Pata Pata, Ocho Ocho. Pata original form. Asa ito na ng player. Ayan, okay. Ayan, sige. Okay, oh, best shot. Okay, Pata Pata, Giling Giling, Pata Pata, Ocho Ocho. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ocho. Pata original form. Ayan, okay, habol dito. Let's go, let's go. Ayan, okay, Super. Ayan, okay, and then Pata Pata, Giling Giling, Pata Pata, Ocho. Pata Pata. Okay, Pata. Ayan, okay, ayan, ayaw na tapusin isa. Okay, thank you so much, girls. Congratulations. Ayan, okay, sige girls, ako, bali na po tayo. Settle na tayo, everyone. Okay, boy, ayun, losing team natin, stay po tayo sa harapan. Ayan. Okay, so kung kanina may kumanta ng happy birthday, this time let's make it a total happy birthday performance, okay? So what do I mean is, kailangan ko po ngayon yung pinakamasaya nyo, pinaka-energetic nyong happy birthday for Ma'am Bonbon, okay? So Ate Mitch, kaya muna ako ng mic. Okay, so sino ang maghahawak ng mic at mag-lead ng gift? Ayan. Okay, so everyone na, ayan, sabay-sabay po tayo, sabay-sabay, okay? Ayan, so now once again, everyone, palapakan po natin ang ating team A to perform their most happiest, jolliest, happy birthday. And 3, 2, and 1, let's go!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Alright, thank you so much. Ayan, sige, go claim your prizes to Ate Mitch. Ayan. Okay, ayan, congratulations everyone. Now, this ang best friend nating lahat. Come on down, best friend, Jollibee! Ayun, ako nasa na si best friend. Ako mukhang na-traffic na sa traffic na kalipunan. Nasaan na yung bubuyog? Yung pinaka-pogi. Ayun! Ayun, hello to you, best friend Jollibee. Hi! Hoy! Saan ka pupunta? Dito ka! Oo, halika dito. Makikikain ka? Dito ka na. Halika dito. Ikaw talaga. Ayun, kaway-kaway kami sa mga guests ni Ma'am Ponpon. Hi! Ayun ako. O, diba? Nakakita, ang dami kasing nakatutok sa kanya. Kaya pinapin niyang magpa-posing dyan. O, ayun, kaway-kaway ka sa ating mga jolly guests. O, hindi na pinigilan yung camera ni Sir. Ikaw talaga. Ayan, o, hello ka muna sa mga jolly guests natin. Ayan, hello, restaurant! Hi! Ayan, kaway-kaway ka rin dito. Ayan, kaway-kaway ka sa ating mga jolly guests. Ayan, ayan, okay, diba? Tika, ano, nasan ka na naman? Ayan, ano naman yan? Hoy! Ikaw talaga, yan ang sinasabi ko sa'yo, inuna mo pa yan. Ayan, okay, sige, Ma'am po. Hoy! Ay, parang kamukha, parang hawig. Hoy, halika. Uy, hindi ko talaga, nanghingi ka agad sa halika. Ma'am Bon, let's take a picture. Ano, nakyutan ka? Ano, kamukha mo? Medyo chubby-chubby. Ayan. Okay, sige, this time, Ma'am Bon. Ayan, ako, kaway-kaway ka sa ating birthday girl. Ay, ayan. Okay, sige, nakapag-picture muna. Ayan. Ka na maglaro dyan? Naglalaro-laro ka na dyan? Mamaya ka na maglaro. O, dali na, best friend Jollibee. Tapos na si Ma'am Pon magbigay ng gift for you. Ikaw ang tanong, nasaan ang regalo mo kay Ma'am Pon? Nasaan? O, nasaan? Nasaan? Nasaan na yung gift? Ayan! Okay, o, sige. This time, Ma'am Pon from Jollibee. Tanggapin mo din po ang iyong, ano yan? Jollibee Love! Para pa kayo naman si best friend Jollibee. Ako, diba? Kamukha ni best friend yung ano niya. Jollibee Love, literal talaga. Ang tanong, best friend, paano aandar yan? May battery ba yan? Bakit naman wala namang battery na naman yan? Nalimutan. Wala ka ng pambili. Ano ba yan? Paano ang pambili? Sigurado ka ba? Ang yaman-yaman mo? Kaya sige, paano yan gagana? Hindi tuloy makita ni Ma'am Pon kung paano yan ilaw. Walang battery. Ikaw talaga. Nalimutan mo na naman. Kaya sige, this time, best friend, kahit walang battery ang iyong Jollibee Love, babawi ka na lang sa iyong birthday wish. So this time, best friend, ilang birthday wish ang i-ready mo for Ma'am Ponpon? You have? Wala? Bakit wala? Ala, bakit naman wala? Ikaw talaga? Bakit? Anong ginawa mo sa Jolly Town at hindi ka prepared sa birthday ni Ma'am Pon, ha? Anong ginawa mo? Ano nangyari? Bakit hindi ka nakaisip na pressure at tutuyo? Ay, bakit? Bakit? Hoy, ikaw talaga. Ano nangyari? Ano? Bakit? Busy ka na maglaro? Hindi, mamaya masaya ka na maglaro. O, dali na. Ilang wish ang ni-ready mo for Mampot? Ayan, okay, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have, ano yan? Ano yan? O, ilan? Ay, wala nagbibilang. O, busy sila. Naku, di ko pinapansin, best friend. Okay, o, sige. O, now, everyone, once again, guys, magbibilang si best friend Jollibee. Guys, bida-bida ang best friend kong bubuyog na ito. Gusto niya, lahat ng atensyon nasa kanya. Oo, so, everyone, ayan, sabay-sabay po tayo sa pagbibilang. Okay, best friend Jollibee, for Mampon, ikaw ay merong 1 at ulit. O, sinong hindi nagbilang? Sinong hindi nagbilang? Naku, nakita ni best friend. Okay, once again, everyone, best friend Jollibee, for Mampon, you have 1. Sino? Naku, ayan na nga ba? Ayun! Hindi kayo nagbibilang dyan sa table na yan, ha? Ayan, hindi kayo nakafocus kayo dyan. Sorry na to, sabi ni Mami, huwag ka na mag-tampo. Okay, sige na, ito talaga to. Gusto niya talaga sa kanya lahat ng attention. Okay, ayan, nakatinitingnan niya na kayo, everyone. Okay, sige, this time, best friend Jollibee, for Mampon, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Sino? Ano naman? Sino naman napansin mo? Sino naman? Sino? Ayun. Okay, best, kumakain kasi si ma'am, ikaw naman. O, dali na, ayan na. Halika na dito. Ikaw talaga. Nagbibilang na sila. Huwag ka ng ano dyan. Nangugulo ka pa eh. O, dali na. Sige na. You have, final na. You have 1. Ulit. Guys, lahat na daw. Okay, sige. This time, best friend Jollibee, for Mampon, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Apat lang yan. Daliri mo. Huwag na naipilit. Ayan. Bakit? Apat lang yan. Sure. Wala na makakalam. Okay, sige. Bilang best friend. Apat lang yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ilan talaga ang birthday wish mo? You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Ilan? 4? Apat talaga. Okay, sige. Ayan, pagpasensya din na, apat lang kasi daliri ni best friend eh. Okay, sige. For your first wish, ayan, Ma'am Pot, sana manatili daw po kayo. Wow! Always maganda. Ayan, always maganda. At kapag maganda, ano pa? Always flawless. Ayan, ako, always flawless si Ma'am Pot. At pag flawless, ano ba? Always flawless, sexy. Ikaw talaga. Ayan, okay. At least always maganda. Nakakala si Ma'am na always maganda talaga. Okay, sige. For your second wish, ayan, Ma'am Pot, sana manatili ka po, maging madasalin, at syempre, always God-fearing. Ayan, may takot sa Diyos. Okay, takot po sa Diyos yun, hindi po panginginig yun, Ano ba, ayusin mo kasi yung pag-alam, nag-shasharids na naman tayo, eh. Okay, sige na, for your third wish, ayan, Ma'am Pot, sana manatili ka po, hindi, at lalong hindi magkakasakit. At syempre, maging malakas at malusog katulad syempre ni best friend Jollibee. Ayan. Laging always healthy. Ano yan? Wala kang abs. Malusog ka lang. Wala kang abs. Okay? Ayan. Sige daw for your fourth and final wish, Ma'am Pot, sana manatili ka po at tayo daw pong lahat ay always be happy, just like of course best friend, Jollibee! Okay, tama na pagpapag-cute. Ayan, diba? Cute, tuwang-tuwa siya sa camera nila, sir eh. Okay, sige, once again, thank you so much, best friend Jollibee, for your gift and for your wish. Siyempre, this time, hindi pa dyan natatapos ang iyong pa-birthday surprise. Yes, meron ka. Kasi binigyan ka ni Ma'am Po ng isang teddy bear, kailangan may gagawin ka pa, okay? Ay, ikaw talaga. Ay, sige, now this time, everyone, gusto niyo bang makitang sumayaw si best friend Jollibee? Yun pala ang hinahantay nila, best friend, yung pagsayaw mo, ang tanong, ready ka? Ready ka? Yes na yes. Okay, sige, this time, Ma'am Po, ayan ako, ilipat lang po tayo, dito po tayo sa gitna. Saan mo dadalhin yan dito? Papanoorin ka ni Ma'am, ikaw talaga. Ayan, sige, this time, ayan, Ma'am Po, dito po muna. Ayan, okay. Opo, yes. Ayan, alright now this time everyone, sabay-sabay naman natin palakpakan at bigyan ng masigang palakpakan at sumigawan ng aking best friend Jollibee to dance, be the dance! Let's go, best friend!
Sumasayaw sa tuwa, ganyan ang feeling kapag bida ang saya. Tayo, bida tayo, sa bida ang bata. Sa jolly, bida tayo, sa loob mas masaya. Sa jolly, bida tayo, walang iba. Sa jolly, bida ang saya. Sumasayaw sa tuwa, ganyan ang feeling kapag bida ang saya. Tayo, bida tayo, sa bida ang bata. Sa jolly, bida tayo, sa loob mas masaya. Sa jolly, bida tayo, walang iba. Sa jolly, bida ang saya.
To best friend Jollibee, thank you so much, best friend. And now this time, let's move on to the most highlight part ng ating party, ang ating blowing of the candle ceremony. So once again, Ma'am Paul, let's go in front.
Kinabas ang saya, noong pagkata, unay naligaya sa kaya.
Ayan, and everyone, stand up po muna tayo. Tayo muna.
Eto na pala eh.
Ayan, okay, this time, ayan, let's take a picture po muna with your...
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
At ngayon, isang mas masaya at mas mabilis na happy birthday! Let's go! Alright, sige, now this time, Ma'am Bonbon, before you blow your candle, do you have a wish na gustong i-share or you just want to keep it to yourself? Okay, keep it to yourself na lang. Okay, sige, this time, Ma'am Bonbon, lapit na po tayo sa iyong cake. Once again, close your eyes, make your wish, and blow your candle in 3, 2, and 1, go blow! Ayun! Happy birthday! It's your birthday! Ayan, alright, now that's it po. Everyone, you may now grab the chance for the...
Giveaway ba to? Kuha-kuha lang. ka dyan.
Left and our best friend Jollibee. Ay!
Bak nawa.
Ano ka ba? Pinamahaba naman yung isang bat. Ikaw talaga. Ayan. Alright, sige na. This time, best friend Jollibee, as much as we want to spend time with you, ay kailangan mo na bumalik sa Jolly Dance. So everyone, say thank you and bye, best friend Jollibee. Bye! Bye-bye na, best friend. Bye-bye. Ayan, sige na, magpaalam ka na sa ating mga Jolly guests. Ay, tinitignan mo na, hindi gulo ka pa dyan sa mga bisita ni Mike. Wala ka daw dyan, best friend. Kahit anong pili mo dyan, ikaw talaga. Ayan, bye, best friend. Ayan. Ikaw talaga. Okay, sige. Bye-bye, best friend. Ingat ka sa pagbalik sa Jolly Town. Ayan. Nagpaalam pa. Hindi na tinaan kayo magpunta na sa anak. Ikaw talaga. Hindi na sabi ko sa'yo. Ay! Kinis pa. Ay, alam, thank you pa. Ayan, sige po. Thank you so much. Ayan, sige po. Ayan ako, masaya-masaya ang best friends ko talaga ngayon. Okay, sige, thank you so much, best friend. Ayan, alright, now that's it po to formally end the party. Ayan, Ma'am Ponpon, let's go in front po once again for the thank you message sa ating mga guests na pumunta.
Salamat sa lahat ng tumating, mga taga-SGB. Nagkaroon kami ng mini SGB reunion. Sa mga college friends ko at sa mga long-time friends. Long-time friends. Salamat po rito. Ivy, thank you. Salamat pa.
Ayan, once again, palakpakan po natin si Ma'am Ponpon. And on behalf of Team Jollibee, Katipunan and Management, we also like to thank you everyone for choosing us on celebrating your very special day. Once again, this is your party host, Ate Nicole, with me, our Ate Mitch, Kuya Sean, and Kuya Joel, na nagsasabing hanggang sa muling pagkikita po sa Jollibee. Maraming salamat at ingat po tayong lahat sa pag-uwi. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you.